coordinate geometry, we need to make sure that we first of all understand the coordinate system. It is basically a horizontal number line where the middle is 0, to the right is positive, to the left is negative. We also have overlaid on top of that a vertical number line where the middle is 0. We go positive from the middle up, negative from the middle down. And so this is how the coordinate system works. And we label this axis X and this axis Y. And we always state our ordered pairs, or a pair of coordinates that mark any point on this grid. We always do the X first, Y second. Okay? And generally our table is written in that way as well. So there's our X axis and our Y axis. We can use this coordinate system to understand relationship between variables or between quantities. So here we have X and Y, and there's some calculation connecting the two. And this generally will give us a pattern. Now we can find the pattern by just doing calculations to fill out this table to pair up the X and Y's. So it's always a good idea to start with have 0 for X in your pattern, because 0 for one thing is easy to calculate, and it tells us where it crosses the y-axis. It's kind of a starting point for this pattern. So when X is 0, we get Y is 3. I'm going to space this out a little bit. I'm going to go X is 2, Y is going to be 7, and I'm going to put maybe a negative coordinate in there. I'm just going to shift this down. So negative 3, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, plus 3 is negative 3, and then maybe I'll put 3 here. X is 3, Y becomes 9. So 2 times 3 plus 3 is 9. So there's my table of values. Now the type of relationship here is what we call a linear relationship. So we should expect a straight line. If it's not straight, we should check our work or check our coordinates or check our graphing. So I've made the table equations. I'm going to plot these coordinates. The ordered pair is going to be negative 3, negative 3. So I go 3 left, 3 down. Here's going to be 0, 3. So I'm going to go 0 to the start in the middle, 0 to the right, 3 up. This ordered pair is going to be 2, 7. So I'm going to go 2 to the right. Always horizontal is first. Vertical is last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm just checking it. Yeah, it all seems to be lining up right now, which is what I should expect. 3 over 9 up. There's other point. Again, just checking. If my coordinate ended up somewhere over here, I need to double check my points. One of the common mistakes is to put the points backwards, 9 and 3. Okay, it's not 9 and 3, it's 3 and 9. So this we can draw a straight line through these coordinates, and that gives us the pattern that we're looking for. So this 2y equals 2x plus 3 gives a pattern on the xy plane that is a straight line, and it looks like this. And when you graph these, make sure that you don't just draw the dots. What we're actually looking for is the pattern that goes through there, the line that goes through there, because I'm just using these points to line up to get this pattern. I'm not looking for these specific points, I'm looking for the general line.